Hello, dear friends. This is a play on junk food awareness. So let's get started. Patient fees 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Very good. Who is the next patient? Send him in. Sit down. What is her name? What is her name? Hakim Mahma. What is her problem? I have stomach ache. What did you eat in the morning? I had 2 pieces of cake. After that, then I had 2 pieces, 2 pizzas. After that, then I had 2 burgers. After that, then I had French fries and 1 liter of Coca-Cola. Oh, it is very bad. What you only junk food? Doctor, I like eating food. Eating junk food is not healthy. If you like this, you will become unhealthy. I will give you some medicines. Thank you, doctor. Wait, give me my fees. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Very good. Did you see that, friends? Eating junk food is not healthy. Did you see? If you like this, you will become unhealthy. And most important, doctors will earn more money. Thank you.